So, episode 20 something doesn't exist, mainly because things have been going wrong. So I thought I'd just do this video instead. I'm currently at Weymouth Marina. We have come over on, ta-da, Pamela C. Naturally the wind has just immediately died down, but it was quite fun trying to get it in because she's got so much windage and there's no bow thruster, and they were trying to put us in this tiny skinny little pontoon berth, which is a lot shorter than the boat, and so we just came up alongside instead. Captain's decision. John's the captain, he made the right one, I think. Yeah, so no video. The next one will be me on a race boat, I think, which I just can't. My laptop's been on the boat and I've not been able to get to the boat for various horrible reasons. So John actually took me over to the boat with his boat, came alongside with lots of wind. My boat's going like this and his is just still, so I had to sort of do some kind of army dive off the boat. So that was exciting. But I've got some bits and pieces now, so it's John's birthday. Happy birthday, John. So we're going to have a barbecue at this marina and stuff like that. Then hopefully I should be able to get some videos edited or something like that. The next one's on the race boat, and one around that time will be why my boat is broken and might need fixing, which might be expensive fixing, and I currently have £82 in the bank. Most of which will go on beer tonight, so that'll be fun. But I do get paid off YouTube Monday, so it's not too bad. Yeah, so it's just a little stupid update. Yeah, I've had some bad news, so I'm a little bit, but we'll see. Here, have a look at the marina instead of my stupid mush. We came under the swing bridge to get in, which was really cool. I think we got footage of it. It might feature in a further video, but yeah, there's Fat Pam. Yeah, anyway, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm exhausted, dejected, and all other kinds of ids. So yeah, later, alligator.